Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to TOPTS Tailoring Studio. Today we are having something brand new as per the heading. As you can see in my title bar, you may like the TOPTS Studio Live based on the creator. Okay, people who are just joining in, you're welcome. Welcome. We are getting started very soon. If you've just tuned in or you've just discovered this channel for the first time, please give it just 10 to 5 minutes. 10 to 5 minutes. There is a reason as to why I always give it in a countdown format. Today we are going to start this software from zero. Actually from zero. Don't see the avatars here. We are going to start it from zero, not until we explain every detail to attention. What I only need from you is get your, if you don't have this software, please don't, no worries, you can still pay attention so that by the time you get the software you are able to do exactly what you learned. The best way of learning is first of all doing orientation, then afterwards you do what we call real practice. Okay, I'm going just to make this class today very brief. It will be just 30 minutes because as per my lesson I've made it in steps. We have only 11 steps, and out of the 11 steps, some of the steps you saw them when we were drafting the cloth yesterday. If you were not part of this class yesterday, please, it's never too late. You can still subscribe to my channel, and in case you need advanced classes for this, I have playing videos on my YouTube. You can still go and navigate TOPTS Tailoring Studio on YouTube and you go through multiple videos that I have. Do you have a challenge in drafting the suit? Have you ever tried making a suit but really you're seeing everything is piecing you up? Now the answer is very easy. Go to TOPTS Tailoring Studio and navigate to all the videos that I have there. I have multiple videos on how to draft a suit, a jacket, actually a blazer jacket. If you have never drafted a jacket in your life, please, the calculations that I have displayed on my YouTube channel are very easy. And how can you navigate to my YouTube channel? Let us do it before we start our class. You have your bronzer, isn't it? You can be using Chrome or any bronzer. You just type on the bronzer, and then on the plus icon you put on the search bar here, you just type TOPTS Tailoring Studio. You can still add tailoring because you may find there is another TOPTS in a search engine. So you put TOPTS Tailoring, then you click and it will display you what you're seeing on your screen. Are we together? Here we are navigating to TOPTS Tailoring Studio YouTube channel. I don't know whether it is accepted by TikTok, but TikTok, please help me. I want to show them where to get master classes from. So after you click on it, give it time. Of course, search engines, you don't need to rush. You have to click and give them time as you wait. So here is the channel. So we have multiple videos. I have multiple videos, but the emphasis that I always give you, there is this welcome video on my channel, which is this. It teaches you how to make let me first pause this video, which teaches you how to make how to draft a double-breasted jacket step by step. So this video is 46 minutes, but these 6 minutes are not just for fun. They are detailed to attention. If you've never ever drafted any suit in your life, please, these videos in this channel are for all of us. And not only that, I have very easy to understand videos on how to draft anything, leave alone about fashion business and these ones. I have how to draft apron. If you have a challenge in drafting the apron, if you have this type of a machine, I have that video on how to do it. If you have you want to make a leather jacket, these are the videos. If you want to, actually just go to this channel and you will enjoy and you will thank me later. Okay, that is it. Let me go back to our live before TikTok calls us. Yes, let us go back to our workspace of Cloth 3D. So what do we have for Cloth 3D today? So for Cloth 3D, the first thing that we're going to look at how to set up our workspace. How to set up our workspace. So the first thing that you do in Cloth 3D, and let me take you over back to my windows so that you see what I'm trying to mean. This is my desktop. This surface, this is my desktop. So the desktop, this is the icon of Cloth 3D, a digital software for fashion designers. So after you've installed it, this is how it appears. You just double click on it and you follow the credentials that are needed. Then after, it will take you to this empty space. Let me give you this empty space. Let me remove the avatar. This empty space. Let me remove the avatar. I create just new. This empty space, you see, this is the default workspace that comes with the software. So now this default workspace has windows. It has windows that we are going to see. It has windows that we are going to see. So one of the windows is the 2D. I'm repeating this for the second time for all of us. One of the windows is the 2D. So this 2D works as a pattern drafting table where we do the drafting from. Then another window that comes with this software is the 3D, which is this one. Now this one works as our showroom where you finish clothes and test them on the body. This one you test them on the body. So that's how the software is designed. So you can still only navigate to your window of importance. For example, if you come at the bottom extreme corner, at the right bottom extreme corner here, zoom your computer so that, or zoom your phone if you're using a phone, so that you can see these three icons. So these three icons, one of it enables you to view all the two windows at the same time. You can view the 3D window, which is this, and the 2D window, which is this one. Okay, then you come to the middle icon. You can toggle at the middle icon. When you toggle the middle icon, you will be only viewing 3D windows. 3D window, which is this one on the left hand corner of your screen. So let us toggle and you see what I'm trying to mean. Like that. You see, it's only the 3D which is visible now in your screen. But now if you want to switch it back to viewing two windows at the same time, you just toggle at this 3D stroke 2D window like this. Then the last window, the last icon that I need you to master also is that you can still view the 3D, the 2D windows alone. How do you do it? You still come down here. You see the last icon which is named 2D. You click on it. Are we learning something out of this? You click on it and boom, it only displays the 2D window. Are we together? Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching part 1. See you in part 2, where we're going to see how to load the avatar, navigating the workspace, how to use a 3-click mouse in 3D, and also seeing the assets that come with the software. So guys, let us meet in part 2.